Ramps are not farmed convenience food. They are seasonal reality. For most of the year, ramps do not exist to the average person. Then spring hits, forests wake up, and for a short window, ramps appear. Fresh, fragrant, unforgivingly temporary. Botanically, ramps are allium tricoccum, a wild member of the allium family. They are related to onions, garlic, leeks, and chives, but they behave very differently. Ramps grow slowly, reproduce cautiously, and refuse to be rushed. They are native to eastern North America, especially hardwood forests with rich, moist soil. They thrive under maple, beech, and oak trees. They need shade, leaf litter, and time. A lot of time. A single ramp plant can take 5 to 7 years to mature from seed. That alone explains why ramps are not everywhere. Nature did not design them for mass production. Visually, ramps are unmistakable. Broad green leaves, a slender white stem, and a small bulb that looks like a miniature onion. When fresh, they smell aggressively allium forward. Half onion, half garlic, zero subtlety. Flavor-wise, ramps are bold but layered. Raw ramps hit sharp and garlicky. Cooked ramps soften into sweetness with deep savory undertones. They deliver intensity without bitterness. This is why chefs obsess over them. Culinarily, ramps are versatile but must be treated with restraint. The leaves cook quickly and wilt like spinach. The bulbs handle heat better and can be grilled, sautéed, pickled, or roasted. Classic uses include ramp butter, ramp pesto, ramp salt, and ramp oil. Eggs love ramps. Potatoes understand ramps. Pasta accepts ramps without question. In Appalachian cuisine, ramps are cultural icons. Festivals celebrate them. Dishes revolve around them. Historically, ramps were important after winter because they provided vitamins and flavor when diets were otherwise dull. Nutritionally, ramps deliver vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and sulfur compounds similar to garlic. These compounds are linked to immune support and cardiovascular health. They also stimulate appetite and digestion. After long winters, ramps wake the system up. But here is the problem. Ramps are vulnerable. Because they grow slowly and reproduce conservatively, overharvesting can wipe out entire patches. Pulling the bulb kills the plant. Unsustainable harvesting has already damaged populations in many areas. This forced a cultural shift. Responsible foragers now cut leaves and leave bulbs intact. Some regions restrict or ban ramp harvesting entirely. Ramps became a symbol of a larger issue, seasonal foods being treated like infinite resources. Modern agriculture struggles with ramps. Cultivation experiments exist, but ramps resist domestication. They demand forest conditions that are difficult to replicate at scale. This scarcity adds to their mystique. Ramps are not everyday ingredients. They are events. Visually, ramps signal spring. Their bright green leaves cut through brown forest floors. In the kitchen, they add color and intention. You see them and know exactly what season it is. The biggest mistake with ramps is overuse. Their flavor is dominant. Too much and the dish becomes one note. Balance matters. Another mistake is treating ramps like regular onions. They are not replacements. They are statements. Ramps teach patience. They teach restraint. They teach respect for seasonality. You do not build a diet around ramps. You wait for them. You appreciate them. Then you let them go. Ramps are not rare because they are weak. They are rare because they refuse speed.